Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to change your VPS password directly from the client area. Let's get started. First, log into your client area account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, on the main dashboard, click on the Services button to view your VPS services. From the list of services, find the VPS that is marked as active. Click on the name or details of the VPS you want to manage. Once you're on the VPS management page, move your cursor to the top left corner of the page and click the Change Password button. On the password change page, you'll be prompted to enter your new VPS password. For a strong and secure password, use uppercase and lowercase letters. Include at least one special character like number, dollar, percent, exclamation, etc. Avoid using common words or dictionary terms. You can also use the Generate Password button to instantly create a strong, random password. After setting your new password, click Save Changes to apply it. And that's it. Your VPS password has now been successfully updated through the client area. Good luck and stay secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.